Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is my personal experience using this tool, so your mileage may vary. Today we're taking a look at Mixin Messenger, a powerful platform for communication and transactions available at https://messenger.mixin.one. Mixin offers a unique blend of features focusing on privacy, security, and seamless cryptocurrency integration. While many messengers prioritize simple text and voice communication, Mixin goes a step further by providing a built-in multi-chain wallet. This essentially turns your messenger into a financial hub, allowing you to manage and transfer various cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Think of it as a combination of your favorite messaging app and a secure digital wallet, all rolled into one convenient package. One of the standout aspects of Mixin Messenger is its end-to-end encryption, ensuring that your conversations remain private and secure. This is crucial in today's digital landscape where privacy is paramount. Beyond basic messaging, Mixin supports group chats, making it suitable for coordinating with teams or staying in touch with friends and family. The integration of a multi-chain wallet opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to send and receive cryptocurrencies as easily as sending a text message. This feature significantly simplifies cryptocurrency transactions, making them accessible to a broader audience. Mixin's user interface is designed for ease of use, making it simple to navigate the various features. Whether you're a seasoned cryptocurrency user or just starting out, the platform's intuitive design makes it easy to get started. The combination of secure messaging and cryptocurrency management within a single application streamlines communication and financial interactions. Furthermore, the multi-chain support allows for flexibility in managing different digital assets, all within the same platform. This provides a comprehensive solution for both communication and financial management in the evolving digital world. Mixin Messenger, accessible at https://messenger.mixin.one, offers a compelling combination of features that make it worth considering for your communication and cryptocurrency needs.